Guys, hello and welcome to another Sights and Sounds video here in Costa Rica. Today we're in Alajuela. We're going to be doing a walking tour of this town, part of San Jose. If this is your first time joining, be sure to like this video, subscribe right here on YouTube, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when we upload a new video during our travels here. And as always, leave a comment with your thoughts, questions, requests. Here's a monument to Juan Santamaria, national hero here in Costa Rica. That was cool. That was cool. What are the chances? It's serendipity. And I got that on video. So Alajuela, we're just outside of the SJO airport, the main airport here in San Jose. It's probably 10 minutes to get to the airport, but with traffic, I can say who knows. Who knows how far it is to get to the airport. Alajuela downtown here is pretty busy. It's a very busy little spot. Lots of shops, lots of cool buildings to see. We're gonna do a little walk through the city here. But I did film an ambient walking tour for our other channel. I'll link that somewhere down below. So you check that out. It's about a 20-minute walk just through town here. Give you a sense if you're coming here, where the hostels are, and what it would be like if you stop here. And something that's cool about all the towns here in San Jose is that you're always surrounded by mountains. And I'm sure the camera is picking up that it's particularly windy, which is consistent every time I'm in San Jose. It's a little windy. It's always very refreshing. Not too hot. And any place we've stayed in doesn't actually have air conditioning here in San Jose, because at night it gets cool enough you don't need it. But if you know anything about Alajuela, leave me a comment. Any places I should go around here, any places I should visit, any cool stuff to see. We're always coming back through these ways. So now we're kind of getting into the more, what I would say, the busier area of Alajuela. You're going to see a lot of people here. There's a cathedral right here. There's a lot of cool architecture in this part of town. You can see it's so busy. It's incredible. We're here during the week. Just afternoon right now. So there's a big cool cathedral. Looks really nice. And here's the Central Park. So Alajuela has tons of shopping. A lot of shopping options. A lot of stuff to do. There's a museum right there. And here's kind of the central little area with the fountain. Surrounded by cool buildings. Nice colors. There you go. Stop in, get a picture taken there. And just about one block north of the park where we started. And as always, down in the description, I'll put a link to where this walk started. So this is a museum, this Juan Santamaria Museum right here. Cool, like fort style architecture on it. Really nice building. Cool to see. And what we'll do for this short walk is go check out this little indoor shopping center that I wandered through earlier. It was pretty cool. There's a nice little park here. Some more mountains off down the streets you can see in the distance. Now we found parking here. There's a lot of these parking lots. You'll see it says Parqueo Publico. Generally consistent pricing, 1,000 colon per hour. And there's a parking attendant in them. So here's one right here. So 1,000 colon is about $2 American. That's where I would suggest to park if you're coming down here. clothing stores, all kinds of stuff here. And if you're looking for a quick bite, check out the panaderias. They have little pizzas that are just delicious. Manji, there's a chain store that is throughout Costa Rica. They sell a lot of stuff, electronics, motorcycles, all kinds of stuff, TVs. So now this location here is an indoor shopping center. Now leave me a comment if you want the specific pin about where this location is. I'm happy to drop a pin for you guys. So it's kind of unassuming. You wouldn't catch it if you're driving by that there's a big shopping center here. Cheese and milk, convenience stores, all kinds of stuff. Electronics. Look at all this cool stuff here. Trinkets, figurines, nice little dresses for the niños, a watch store, all kinds of cool stuff. Here's your fruits and veggies. Pollo. This is the Chicken King right here. There's all your veggies and stuff like that. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Your legumes, if you know how to cook that. Jewelry, electronics. Cool, there's some more meat. Here's a nice big store with fruits and veggies, restaurants, all kinds of cool stuff. And right back out on the street, the Goyo. There's a Goyo, there's another chain, much like Munch. Right there, there's another one, there's Goyo. All right, cool, so once again, check out our ambient tour of Alajuela. Thanks for joining. Be sure to like, subscribe right here on YouTube. Hit the bell notification so you get notified when we upload a new video here in Costa Rica. Pardon. And leave us a comment. Hope to see you soon here. Thanks for watching. Bye now.